Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 12th of August. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court Collegium recommended transfer of 24 High Court judges. 3 new bills introduced in Lok Sabha to replace criminal laws, sedition law to be scrapped. Parliament paved way for 28% GST on online gaming bets. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman called for concerted global efforts to restructure debt for poor countries. AAP MP Raghav Chadha suspended from Rajya Sabha. Delhi High Court ordered daily hearing in 2G spectrum allocation case. Hate speech unacceptable, need to stop it. Supreme Court to center. University panel chairman emphasized on learning in mother tongue. ISRO successfully conducted parachute development test for GAGANYAAN mission. Now some international news. Ukraine fires all military recruitment chiefs, Volodymyr Zelensky said. Explosions heard in Ukraine's Kyiv after nationwide air raid alert. Australia's Defence Department charged after crocodile attacked 2 soldiers. 2 Russian airports suspended flights amid surge in Ukrainian drone attacks. The system is broken, Kuwait reformists demanded political change. New Zealand accused China of espionage, foreign interference. 6.0 magnitude earthquake hit Japan's Hokkaido. Russia sent spacecraft to moon weeks after Chandrayaan-3 launch. Biden called China a ticking time bomb over economic troubles. Now some sports news. Asian Champions Trophy 2023, Pakistan thrashed China 6-1 to finish 5th. Sports Ministry sent wrestlers to Romania for special training camp and competition. Nick Kyrgios withdrew from US Open organizers. Liverpool agreed British record £110 million fee for MOISES CAICEDO. Punjab and Haryana High Court State Wrestling Federation of India polls till further orders. Shakib Al Hasan to lead Bangladesh in Asia Cup World Cup. Now news related to business. Direct tax collections crossed Rs 6.53 lakh crore so far this financial year. Center to release buffer onion in market immediately. Keep prices in check. Lok Sabha passed GST bill to tax online gaming, casinos, race clubs at 28%. Industrial production growth dipped to 3-month low of 3.7% in June. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das pitched for expeditious completion of quota review at IMF. LIC shares jumped 6% after insurance behemoth's net profit jumped multifold. News related to science. New species of miniature whale named after ancient Egypt king discovered. Amazon switched spacecraft for launching internet satellites next month. Russia launched Luna 25 lunar mission, its first in 47 years. James Webb captured stunning image of most distant star ever detected. And that's all in news. Thank you.